masyadong tao ngayon nagbiyahe kasi nga dahil nga sa quarantine, sa social distancing. Ayan. Fire station. Yeah, I did see it.
I like it.
Yan.
It's so clean and shiny.
Yeah. Yan ang epekto ng ngayon lang ulit nakalabas. Daldal ng daldal. Lahat ng nakikita. Ano, mami? Kamusta ang feeling na nakalabas ulit? Tuwa-tuwa si mother. Parang naninibago ulit after isang buwan na hindi nakalabas.
Also me.
Oh, you too! Yeah! Kamay niya. Diba? Kasi nga sinabihan siya ng nanay niya hawakan yung bag niya. So hindi talaga niya binibitaw. Hindi talaga binibitawan niya.
Hindi siya magka-action. Hindi siya magka-action ng right hand niya. Kasi nakaano sa...
Masunuring ba? Sa bagong bahay. Hintay muna namin yung realtor kasi
pwede ko yung pinturahan, sabi ni Jason ng light lang.
hintayin muna namin yung realtor kasi bago kami magpasok dun sa bahay. So ayan, ano madam? Anong masasabi mo?
Christmas light pang kao.
Anong masasabi mo sa bagong bahay?
I like the new house. And I'm excited to check what's inside now.
What's inside?
Everything.
There's nothing inside.
There's nothing inside, Langga. It's still empty. Yeah?
It's empty inside the house.
Kasi we need to buy gamit pa. We need to buy the things inside. We need to buy a new bed. Your new bed. What do you want for a bed?
Siya and Marco
Double.
will sleep alone in his room.
You're gonna have your own room. Yeah.
To sleep
Are you excited to have your own room?
on room. Not
Yay!
Daddy and Mommy.
I'm
Wala nang
gonna.
kuot-kuot.
Yeah.
Koot.
Who will you kuot na? Because you're gonna be by yourself in your own room.
Mommy.
But mommy's in the other room. Who will you kuot?
Mommy.
Chad, come here. Yay! Naman, hello!
Hi.
Ana, Big Brother house?
Congratulations.
Yay!
May bigas ka na agad? Ha? May kasi blessing daw eh.
Ganyan na yan. Yay!
Welcome to your house, Sean.
Mag-cabinet dito.
Ayan. Teka lang, picture mo na.
Nguya ko muna.
Pamuyain mo muna. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and smile.
Hey, you're welcome. Pa-bless na agad, ha? Basta yung pa-blessing. Oo.
Siguro after mother. Nagsiset up ng altar para sa blessing bukas.
Mag-default kayo ng motion sensor. Sa inyo na. Approve na eh.
Ayan, yung backyard. Hi, Shan! Yay! Malamig. Medyo malamig nga lang. go to Nanay.
Pray.
Go to Nanay, slowly.
None your willing ear, Lord God, for first, bless the speaker, the pure holy life, and direct the holy angel. Mighty God bless us, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Very good. We'll see you later.
Sige po, thank you po, Father.